NC Piedmont Outdoors presents Pathfinder Camping Multi-Fuel Stove, Couscous with vegetables and chicken.
Hey everybody, good morning. It's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors coming to you again from my hunting property. Just got done with the morning hunt. It's a Sunday with muzzleload season in right now. You can hunt until 9:30 on Sundays, and you can hunt after 12:30. So time to get down from the stand. That means time to make another meal in the woods. So what do I have for you today? So here's another one. A little quick kind of cook. So this is a meals on the go couscous and vegetables. It's like a microwave meal, but we're just going to cook that like we usually do with our ramen in our Pathfinder stainless steel skillet. I'm going to add some Walmart chunk chicken breast to it to just give it a little more protein. Maybe a little oil to cook the chicken with. I got a little bit of pepper to salt. I'm sorry, use a little pepper to add to it. We're not going to use a lot of salt at all, really, because I don't have any, and there's enough in the canned chicken to make it perfect. I'm going to use again my Pathfinder multi-fuel camp stove. I'm going to try to finish up this propane tank that I have for it, and I've got some water in my Pathfinder canteen cook set, so I'm going to just use the water from there to get this going. So let me set up the stove, and we'll get this meal cooked. Alright everybody, so I've got the stove hooked up. I've got it hooked up to my propane tank, so I'm ready to go. Oh, I just wanted to mention, since last time I made a video, I picked up a couple new pieces of Pathfinder hardware. So this is the stainless steel Pathfinder plate and the broiler plate that can fit and nest nicely inside of the frying pan. So this actually can nest right in here with this pan, and then when you put the lid on it, it all completes and creates one nice kit. I throw in my Pathfinder spork, and it's perfect. So in a future video, I'm definitely going to use this broiler for something that I can cook with, and then I always have my plate as well, which is just a great addition to have for my cook set. So I'll just put that on the side. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and get this stove lit. See if these matches are any good. They're fairly old. Nope, missed that one. Let's try again. Nope, not that one. Third time's a charm, right? It does not want to light today. Matches. Let's try one. Here we go. Alright, let's try to get this started. Here we go. Alright, so we've got the stove started, so let's go ahead and get our pan on. I'm going to open up that chicken and add the chicken. Put this in. That garnished when we're done. So I didn't drain the chicken this time again because I'm going to use some of that liquid and add some water for the couscous and vegetables. So I figure we'll just help add a little flavor to the meal. So I'm just going to let this cook a little, get that water juices in there, kind of boiling a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and add some water in the couscous can. So once it starts that, I'll bring it right back and show you what's going on.
Alright everybody, just a quick word from our sponsors. First of all, Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for a hunter, And if you're interested in getting a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware and surrounding areas. If you're looking for pool or spa needs, please give them a call. And Sign Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientist.com or call 919-685-7641.
All right, everybody. So I've got the chicken warmed all the way through. Some of that water has already kind of went away, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my Meals on the Go from Ollie's that I got. It even comes with a little plastic spoon. It's okay, so we're just going to throw this in here. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to open up the canteen. Open up my Pathfinder canteen. I'm going to go ahead and fill this to the line that it said to. I think that's it. And we're just going to go ahead and then dump this right in. There it is. More. Just clear it out. Okay, perfect. So we've emptied all that out. Added a touch more water. Nothing wrong with that. This back. I'm going to add a little bit of the black pepper that I brought with me today. Add that in. Perfect. I may actually save this spoon for something else and just use it for other kind of cooks or something. But for right now that this is in here, I'm going to go ahead and turn up the heat. Get this boiling, cover it with the lid, and let the couscous absorb that water and moisture, and it should thicken up. And then once it's done, all right, everybody. So this has been cooking for about maybe 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to go ahead and lift the lid and kind of show you what it looks like. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Smells great. You can see that it really thickened up. The water has kind of burned off. And I've never had couscous before or cooked it in any way, so I don't really know what it's going to taste like. But it actually looks like, to me, like almost like grits. So this is almost like the couscous and vegetables, to me, looks like just like grits. This is going to be like chicken and grits with vegetables kind of thing. I don't know. It looks different. So, but it thickened up nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my gas stove, so that's off. So I'll start letting that cool down. Yeah, just kind of look at that. I mean, it looks like grits. It looks like it really thickened up, and the couscous opened up, or I guess exploded, like if you were making risotto kind of with rice. So this is definitely neat, definitely a different, unique meal I never had before. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually today I'm gonna just use my plate. I had eaten out of the pan before, and I could do that today, but if I was actually, cooking this for 2 people and sharing, I would just go ahead and use my plate. So I've got it, so I'm going to go ahead and use it, and I'm just going to put some in my plate. Put that there. Set that on there. And there it is. There's my, this is going to be my little breakfast kind of / lunch. It's almost 11 o'clock, so I'm going to have some. So let's do a little quick taste test and see what it tastes like. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, really good. It's not too spicy. You can definitely taste the pepper, of course. And, yeah, it's kind of like grits. It's just kind of like a... Try one more bite. Oh. It's definitely definitely like a creamy grits taste. So if you like grits, you'll definitely like couscous. So this is kind of unique. So that's kind of neat. I never had it before, and it's just kind of interesting to kind of cook these different meals that you can always bring with you. Like I said, if you're hiking or truck camping or whatever, canned chicken and this couscous is kind of cool. So anyway, just a quick cook. I'm gonna finish this off and then pack up my stuff and head on home for the day. I've got other chores to do around the house, so Thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. If you have any comments, just post them. I'd be happy to answer them. We've got a couple of things we're working on for the channel. We've got a new intro that we're working on. I've got some video that I'm currently editing about our camping trip to the Chihuahua Point campground up near Robbinsville, North Carolina. So I'm working on that to get that posted for you. So everybody have a good weekend, and if you're out there hunting, good luck. Hope you get something. And for all you hikers and campers, hopefully you get to see one of these videos and want to make one of these for yourself out on the trails. It's pretty cool. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll catch you next time with a video.
NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, hunting, and fishing adventures. Thanks for watching. More videos coming soon.